Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've got the AirPods Pro paired. Now make them the active audio devices so Discord can use them. Open your operating system's Bluetooth and sound panels, select AirPods as output. If the mic appears, set it as input. Once done, quit other apps that may seize the Bluetooth channel, because multiple audio sessions can force a hands-free profile. Make sure battery is above 20% to avoid dropouts, and leave spatial audio off for troubleshooting until Discord audio is stable. In Discord, go straight to user settings, then voice and video, because this is where device selection matters. Choose your AirPods for both input and output. If the AirPods mic doesn't show, pick the alternative Bluetooth hands-free option temporarily and retest. Once selected, set input mode to voice activity for natural speech or push-to-talk if you want control, then tweak input sensitivity so Discord only picks up intended sounds. Make a mic test. Listen and adjust gain until playback sounds clear. Now join the voice channel and verify both sides can hear you clearly. Use Discord's sound test service or ask a friend to confirm. Monitor latency and quality. If you hear lag or mono audio, switch Bluetooth profiles in your OS or temporarily use a wired adapter for reliability, because Bluetooth profiles trade stereo for mic support. If problems persist, reset the AirPods and repair them, and restart Discord. That resolves most handshake and profile negotiation issues, which are the usual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.